Welcome to part 2 of the Loewe Opta Atlas 52. I think it's a 52. Might be a 53. There's not too much difference between them. Anyway, today what I'm going to be doing is getting the radio out of at least the chassis, out of the cabinet. It's going to involve desoldering speaker wires over there and then loosening a screw up over there so that I can get the magic eye out. And then loosening the bolts on underneath. And if you see in underneath there real closely, that is the old schematic diagram that came originally with the radio. I'm keen to get a look at that. That's going to be interesting. So I'm going to remove that bottom cover, get out the old schematic, and once it's out, it will get the first looking at to see what needs to be replaced. So I will be making more video on that. First thing is getting it out. Here we go. Okay, so I've now loosened the screw for the magic eye, and I've desoldered speaker wires, unplugged the antenna cable, so that's the line there. And now what I'm going to be doing is removing the bottom panel, and also finding and removing the screws, and it looks like they're underneath this bottom panel, the screws that hold the chassis to the cabinet. So the screws are underneath the bottom panel, and the circuit diagram is fixed to that bottom panel. That's going to be fun to see. It's going to need a bit of cleaning, I'm sure. Hold on. So there is the bottom panel removed with a schematic diagram. A little bit of mouse urine or whatever that is on there. Sorry, it's actually upside down. But there it is. Schematic diagram for the radio. Just marvelous. Look at that. Okay, so that's over there. But underneath here is what I've always thought is one of the prettiest layouts that I've seen. Unfortunately now it's a bit dark. I suppose I can take that away for now. Sorry, I'm hand holding my phone to film this. But this is one of the prettiest layouts that you can see in a radio. Everything is just so beautifully laid out. And look at that. Woohoo, yeah. That capacitor has seen better days. So yeah, we got a bunch of capacitors need changing. 1, 2, a bunch up here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably about 10 or so. Plus the filter caps. That resistor looks like it's seen better days. Yeah, look at that. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. Lots of fun to be had with this one. Real fun. But the first thing it's going to get is a nice cleanup. See the dust? Ugh. Yeah. Well, that's what you get. 60-year-old radio. So let's pause the video and I'll show you again when the radio